Ever been super hungry and wanted a snack right now? You probably turned to that special box in your kitchen, the microwave oven. Push a few buttons, hear a hum, and in a minute, ding! Your food is hot and ready. The microwave oven is a marvel of science, using invisible waves to cook your food from the inside out. It's not magic, it's physics, right on your kitchen counter. Before microwaves, reheating meant waiting for ovens or stovetops, watching food carefully so it didn't burn. The microwave changed everything, making meal prep faster and easier for everyone. So, how does this incredible device work? What's happening inside that humming box? It's pure science you can understand. We're about to journey inside the microwave, explore the energy that cooks your food, and learn some cool tips and safety rules. Get ready to have your mind and your snacks warmed up. Let's go. So, what is a microwave oven? It's a kitchen appliance that cooks or reheats food using a special kind of energy wave, microwaves. Unlike regular ovens that heat the air around your food, microwaves send invisible waves directly into your meal. These waves are a form of electromagnetic radiation, like radio waves or visible light, but they're especially good at making tiny particles in your food move. That movement creates friction, and friction creates heat, so your food heats itself from the inside. The main parts of a microwave oven all work together. The metal cooking chamber keeps waves contained, the magnetron creates microwaves, the waveguide directs them, and the turntable rotates your food for even cooking. Compared to a regular oven, microwaves are faster and more efficient. No preheating, just instant energy straight to your food. It's a high-tech, super efficient cooking machine powered by clever physics. That's why your microwave is so fast. It's not just a reheating machine, it's a smart, scientific shortcut for modern kitchens. Next, let's see what these microwaves really are. Ready to meet the science behind your snack? Let's dive in. Let's get into the science. Microwaves are a type of electromagnetic wave, part of a big family that includes radio waves, visible light, and X-rays. They're invisible, but they carry a lot of energy. The real magic happens when microwaves meet water molecules in your food. Water molecules are polar, like tiny magnets, and microwaves make them vibrate billions of times per second. This vibration creates friction, and friction creates heat. That's how your food cooks. Foods with lots of water like veggies or soup heat up quickly in a microwave. Dry or oily foods don't heat as well, since they don't have as many water molecules to vibrate. It's all about the water. That's the secret behind your speedy snack. Next, let's see how the microwave oven actually makes these waves. On to the magnetron. Where do microwaves come from? The answer, the magnetron, the heart of your microwave oven. The magnetron is a powerful vacuum tube that turns electricity into high-frequency microwaves. It was originally developed for radar in World War II. Inside, a heated cathode releases electrons which spiral through a magnetic field inside a metal anode. As electrons spin, they create vibrations at 2.45 gigahertz, the perfect frequency for cooking food. This energy is collected by an antenna and sent out of the magnetron. The microwaves then travel through a waveguide and into the cooking chamber. That humming sound you hear? That's the magnetron at work, turning electricity into food cooking power. Without the magnetron, your microwave would just be a box with a light. Next, let's tour the other parts that make your microwave work safely and efficiently. Ready for a closer look inside? Let's go. Now that we know how microwaves are made, let's check out the other key parts. First, the waveguide, a metal tunnel that directs microwaves from the magnetron into the cooking chamber. The cooking chamber itself is a metal box, reflecting microwaves so they bounce around and hit your food from all sides. The door has a metal screen with tiny holes, big enough for you to see through, but small enough to keep microwaves trapped inside. The turntable rotates your food, helping it cook more evenly by moving it through different energy zones. Some microwaves use a rotating antenna instead of a turntable to stir the waves. The control panel is the brain. You set the time and power level here. Lower power doesn't mean weaker waves, it just cycles the magnetron on and off. This helps with gentle cooking or defrosting. All these parts work together for safe, efficient cooking. Next, let's talk about why microwaves sometimes heat food unevenly, and what you can do about it. Ready for some kitchen science? Let's keep going. Ever found your food hot in some spots and cold in others? That's because microwaves create standing waves, patterns of hot and cold spots inside the oven. The turntable helps by moving your food through these zones, but it's not perfect. The shape of your food and its container also affect how evenly it heats. To get better results, arrange food in a ring on the plate, leaving the center empty. Spread food in a shallow layer for more even heating. Stir or rotate your food halfway through cooking to move cold parts into hot zones. For solid foods, flip them over. Let your food stand for a minute after cooking. Heat will keep spreading and even out the temperature. A few simple tricks can make your microwave meals much better. Now let's talk about staying safe. Microwaves are safe if you follow a few key rules. Rule 1. No metal. Metal can cause sparks and damage your oven. Only use containers labeled microwave safe. Some plastics can melt or leach chemicals into your food. When in doubt, use glass or ceramic. Be careful with superheating liquids. Plain water can boil explosively. Place a wooden stick or microwave-safe spoon in the cup to prevent this. Never run the microwave empty. With nothing to absorb the energy, the Magnetron can overheat and break. Always check that the door closes properly and the seal isn't damaged. These simple steps keep your microwave adventures safe and fun. Next, let's bust some microwave myths with science. Ready to separate fact from fiction? Let's go! Microwaves have inspired plenty of myths. Let's bust a few. Myth 1. Microwaves make food radioactive. False. They use non-ionizing radiation which can't change atoms or make food radioactive. Myth 2. Microwaving destroys all nutrients. Actually, it often preserves more vitamins than boiling or baking since it's fast and uses little water. Myth 3. Standing near a microwave is dangerous. Modern ovens are built with safety features to keep microwaves inside. As long as your microwave is in good condition, you're safe. Myth 4. You can't cook real food in a microwave. Not true. You can make full meals, from steamed veggies to mug cakes. Some microwaves even have grilling features for browning and crisping. The microwave is a versatile tool, not just for reheating. Don't let myths hold you back. Explore what your microwave can do. Let's wrap up with a final thought. The microwave isn't magic, it's a masterpiece of science using invisible waves to make life easier. Every part from the magnetron to the turntable is a triumph of engineering. Knowing how it works makes it even cooler. Your kitchen is a hands-on science lab. Every appliance has a story. Stay curious, ask questions, try safe experiments and compare results. Science is everywhere, from the stars to your soup. By understanding how things work, you become a better cook and a smarter user of technology. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and make your kitchen a laboratory for delicious discoveries. The world of science is waiting for you. Every time you cook, you're a scientist in action.